Good morning, good afternoon mga kagandang lola. Nakalapag na po tayo sa Vancouver, British Columbia. So ito na po yung scenery na papunta kami sa hotel. So medyo traffic kasi mayroong construction sa bandang tulay na dadaanan namin. So at the moment umuusad naman yung takbo ng sasakyan.
Days in.
So this is the view for Richmond, Vancouver International Airport dito sa Vancouver. So tingin-tingin muna tayo ng mga scenery sa mga madaanan natin.
What?
Mostly dito sa Vancouver ay mga apartment, condo. So bihira lang yung mga may bahay ang madadaanan namin dahil mostly ay matataas na building at saka hotel, mga apartments ang nakatayo rito. Mostly pag pumunta na tayo sa downtown area, doon natin makikita yung mga zombie. Grabe, ang dami. Nakakatakot daw pag maglakad-lakad ka doon sa downtown paggabi dahil maraming mga palasubas na mga tao. Kaya hindi nire-recommend na pumunta at maglalakad-lakad sa downtown dahil hindi siya safe. So pag umaga medyo tahimik, nagtatago sila. So ito yung downtown. Nandito na tayo sa downtown. Papunta kaming ito apartment ko siya. Papunta kami aquarium habang
It's a good shape.
galing kami sa airport. Diretso na kami Lakwatsa para wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, diretsong Lakwatsa na. So ayan na po, nandito na po kami sa aquarium, Vancouver Aquarium. Enjoy watching the fish and another attractions here at Aquarium Vancouver. The Vancouver Aquarium, located in Stanley Park, opened its door to the public on June 15, 1956, becoming Canada's first public aquarium, founded by marine biologist Dr. Maury Newman. The aquarium was created to promote ocean education, conservation, and research. In its early years, the facility focused on showcasing British Columbia's marine life, becoming a pioneer in marine science and animal care from around the world, including tropical fish, sea otters, dolphins, and even beluga whales. No longer keep as a recent year due to involving ethical standard. The aquarium became globally respected for its marine research, animal rescue and rehabilitation program, and educational outreach. It helped shape public's awareness about ocean conservation and inspire generations of visitors. In 2021, the Vancouver Aquarium was acquired by Herichens Enterprises, a US-based company, after struggling during the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the change in ownership, the facility remains committed to its original mission of ocean protection and public education. Today, the Vancouver Aquarium is a leader in marine stewardship and continues to be one of the most popular attractions in British Columbia. Thank you everyone for watching for my vlogs for today, and hope you guys enjoy the scenery of the aquarium of Vancouver. So para na din kayong nasa loob ng aquarium ng Vancouver. And don't forget to subscribe and share and comments sa aking channel. Thank you. Have a good one, everyone. Oh, that's a fish. It's a long fish.
You don't like those.
Dali oh, grumpy fish.
What is
Dali oh.
that?
Kamukha ni
You know?
Siska. Siska, kamukha mo. Look at your body.
That's daddy because it's grumpy. You know? Wala. The shark. Shark. Where are you? Shark.
This is black tip. Remember the Western tip, you know those? A few of them in Florida. And the This game remembers. Wow. Jellyfish. Look, it's the special jellyfish. Is someone dead? Oh my god, my hurts.
Oh, this is big.
Bigger than knife forehead. Oh, that's so cute though. Oh, this looks so cute. It takes some more in it.
Wow.
That's cute.
Pagod na.
Yeah, go over there.
Over there. What are these?
Lions. Sea lions.
Most of them.
Sarap yan, liligo siya.
Who are you?
So, tumatawag sila kanina eh.
Wow, dalawa na sila. Daddy, Siska. Picture. Hindi covered, Daddy. Nawala na sila. Ayun.
Sisigaw na naman siya.
Wow. Whoa.
They're so cute.
Which connects the ask to the final step, which is the reward. Now, what do we think is a positive reward for a stellar sea lion? Feel free to shout it out nice and loud. Fish, absolutely. These guys love fish. In fact, Kenai here, the really big guy that we're seeing, he's eating up to 20 kilograms of fish every single day. That is around 40 pounds of fish every single day. That is a lot. And it gives him a lot of opportunities to work with the marine mammal trainers and continue to build on that positive relationship that they have. And this relationship between the trainers and the sea lions has allowed us to do some pretty incredible research to learn more about the sea lions that are out in the ocean. The sea lions here have worked with different studies, and we've able to learn a little bit more about their poop, and the scientists are able to look at that to figure out exactly what the Steller sea lions have been eating. Now, what we found was really interesting. The scientists studying the sea lion scat up in Alaska realized something pretty strange. Normally, a sea lion's favorite food is fatty fish, such as herring and salmon, because it gives them the amount of nutrients and calories they need to be able to survive out in those cold waters and
Manok na pula. Manok pa yung hibawan ba? Your cousin. Your cousin. There. So tiny. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey. Pinsan ni sister. Maglalakad kami sa Stanley Park, Vancouver la. Siska's here. Let's go, Kikay. Walking along the street here.
This sounds like hiking to me.
You know, from there to here. Lucky.
Are we hiking?
Laki ng puno. Oh. And there.